No, Mom. I'm working on my Recuerdos.
Are you obsessing over one single technique to the point where you are driving everyone around you mad? Don't waste years on tremolo. If you focus on the single most effective exercise, you'll make real progress fast.
Mom doesn't want me talking to you anymore, Froggy. She says I'm too old for imaginary friends.
Listen, you, if it weren't for me, you'd be playing in a Bon Jovi cover band right now.
I know. I'm sorry.
Good. Now, this is where the average poor guitarist, just like you, Schroeder, gets hooked on tremolo. The most famous tremolo piece, Recuerdos de la Alhambra by Tárrega. Okay, first of all, tremolo won't even work on every tune. But honestly, I liked it on the Duke Ellington melody. What do you think? Leave a comment. Secondly, the idea that you can master something by repeating it a million times is not only wrong, it's dangerous. You might even end up with chronic tendinitis like me. See? So we need to get it more even. Your index finger movement is too big. Here is something you should have learned from the very beginning. Take it to a single string, ideally the B string, so we can really focus on making that index motion small and efficient. P-A-M-I. Now this time start with A and put the emphasis on that finger. Then do the same starting with M, then I. Try it with dead notes. Keep your arm relaxed and take it easy on the reps. 5 minutes a day is plenty. No need to overdo it. Take a look at the right hand of a true tremolo master. The knuckles sit lower, the hands closer to the strings, and the fingers are more curved. It looks effortless. The motion comes straight from the knuckles, not the fingers. I think if Schroeder had practiced like this from the beginning, he'd have a much more reliable tremolo today. Next up, we'll take another classical gem, twist it through all 12 keys, and see if it survives when we drop it into a jazz tune again.
Froggy, you're completely nuts.
I know. Thank you for watching.